What's up everyone, Tech Cloud here, and this video is a big one. This is the unboxing of my new iPhone 5s 32 GB. This is the space gray color, and as you can see it's written iPhone 5s, and on the back it says 32 GB, as this is the 32 GB version. So this is how it looks, and it comes with iOS 7, and as you can see in the picture, as well as the new home button. So let's open this. So I have my knife. Let's cut the plastic in order to open the box. This time the box is actually little bit smaller, smaller in height. Actually, it's not that thick, or it doesn't have that height as the previous iPhones have, and it's also feels lighter, the packaging. And first I thought that's the not the original one. Okay, here it is. That's the device. So this is the space gray version. Never thought the space has a color and it's gray. Anyways, Apple call it space gray because of this side. As you can see on the side there is a new color that it's, and also on the back there is a new color. Before, the black version used to be the slate gray. Now this one is space gray. So let's put the device on the side and see what's in the box, and looks pretty standard stuff. The earphones or Apple pods, and here it is, the charger and the USB cable that you can connect with the charger or your laptop to charge or transfer pictures or music to iPhone. And some packaging which is nothing much, just a picture showing what button is doing what, and couple of Apple's logo stickers that you can use anywhere you want. Let's remove the plastic and try to power on the device. Here you go. It's booting up for the first time, and let me show you the configuration after the first boot up. As the device powers on, you can see the profile and everything looks pretty much similar except that home button. So the device is on. So the device is on and it's saying hello in different languages. So let's set it up. Let's select English as a language, and let's select country as United States. So now it needs to be connected to the Wi-Fi network. So let's connect the Golden Pine, and let me give the password. So I have input the password and I'm back. It is connected now. Location services, yes I want, so I will press enable location services. I always set up my iPhone as a new iPhone because restoring the previous backup will make the iPhone slow, and now it wants my Apple ID and password, so I'm gonna give it that. So I'm back. Terms and condition, let's press agree because I agree to the terms and condition. That's why I'm using the device. So at the moment the OS is setting up the phone, so I'm gonna skip this one and move to the next step. And now it requires my fingerprint. If you want, you can skip this one and do it later, but I think it's better to do the fingerprints now. For that matter, press setup now, and this screen is giving me the tutorial that how I can set up the fingerprint. So I have to keep on pressing and lifting my thumb from different directions so that it recognizes my thumb properly, so that I don't feel any difficulty afterwards in unlocking the device. The more samples you give it, the better it will be. So continue to press and hold and then lift, and when it's done it's gonna give you a message, success. So it's done. Let's press continue, and just in case if this does not work, it will use a passcode. So this is the passcode that I just entered. I have to re-enter just to confirm. Touch ID for purchases, yes. Use Touch ID for purchases. Use Siri, yeah. Now I don't want to send the diagnostics. And register with Apple, yes. Press next. Welcome to new iPhone. So it's done. iOS 7 with all the colors and gradients live on your iPhone. So jokes apart, there are some interesting features and new additions to iOS 7 as well. However, the colors can be a little bit better, but I don't think that's that bad as much as I thought. So let's look at the device itself. On the side, we have the same setup, the volume rocker and the silent key. On the bottom, you have speakers, the charging port, and the headphone jack. On the right, you have a micro SIM tray, rather nano SIM tray, and on the top, you have the power button. So pretty simple setup and pretty neat. So in the coming few days, I'm gonna give you the tour of iOS 7, the features, the tips and tricks, and the review of certain apps and things, as well as the gaming videos. So stay tuned. And as well as I'm going to compare this new processor in the A7 processor inside the iPhone 5s, which is a 64-bit processor now, and I'm going to compare this processor to new S800 processor inside the Sony Xperia Z Ultra as well as the Note 3. Speaking of Note 3, Note 3 will be coming very shortly along with the Galaxy Gear. So stay tuned for the unboxing and review of the Note 3 as well as the Samsung Galaxy Gear. So I'm gonna buy those two as well. So it will be very interesting. So the coming few days are very exciting. So I hope that you guys will participate actively and you will enjoy all this. So as you can see, I was trying to unlock my device using the touch sensor or ID sensor, and it's working flawlessly, no problem whatsoever. Let's try one more time, and as you can see, no problem. And instead of power button, let's try to power on the device from the home button and then unlock using the thumb. Yeah, it works, no issues. I heard somewhere that there are some issues, but no issues at all. I don't see any problem here. It's working perfectly, no problem whatsoever. So it will be nice to use this for purchases as well. So guys, this is the unboxing and small tutorial how you set up your new iPhone. I hope that you have liked it. If you like it, press the like button at the bottom, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe for similar videos, the gaming videos, review, tech help, and all such kind of stuff. See you later. Bye.